Well, I guess it's time for a little sidewalk renovation or placement for the first time. But yeah, we'll see what we can do with it. I'm just laying it out right now and getting it ready. I'll show you maybe a couple steps in between. Coming along a little bit. I glued and pinned my 2x4s up through there, so they're setting up, and won't be long. This one here's ready to put in place. I just got to lay it up there and get it in position. Well, it's getting done. I got clamps on there keeping everything straight while the glue sets up. I use construction glue, so it ought to be good by tomorrow. I guess next time I should be putting sand in. Looks good. Well, it's coming along. Trying to get everything leveled out. I tamped it down, so should have a pretty good base. Time to put some sand in there. Get that leveled. It'll work. You'll see. It'll work. I got some sand in there. I'm gonna level out the sand, tamp it down, and get it ready for sidewalk. We'll get that in, and I think it'll look good. We'll find out. Starting to look pretty flat now. It's getting there. I think it'll be alright. A little more touching up right here on the end, and I'll be done. Okay, I've gone over it the last time. I think I'm ready for pavers. Looks pretty flat to me. Should be pretty good. I tamped it down, so all I should have to do is just drop the pavers right on it where I want them. That should be good as soon as I can get them clean. They're a little dirty. So as soon as I power wash them, should be able to put them on there. Then I got pea gravel for in between, so we'll see how it looks when I'm done. It's coming along. Well, a little power washing of the old pavers. I can reuse them and they'll look like new. So got a little power washing to do. No problem. Alright, we're moving along. Decided to put some plastic down on top of the sand just to make sure it can't wash out. So there's plastic on top, plastic below. I gotta cut me a piece in there for the end because I think I like it staggered like that. A lot of people put them side by side. I like it staggered. Looks a little nicer. There you go. Not too bad. I don't know if you can see it. With the sun the way it is. See if that works. I think it looks pretty good. I like having them offset like that. I think it looks pretty good like that. There you go. Another job done. Stupid honeydew list. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. I think it looks kind of nice. Nice and level. Nice and flat. We'll see if it stays that way, huh? Still looks good after almost 2 weeks of rain, or week and a half, something like that. Hasn't sunk down. Looks pretty good. Everything nice and level. I call that success.